Hello everyone and welcome to our Become Beauty Expert YouTube channel. Today's video is about why Cyruss Mathew Makeup Academy might not be the right fit for beginners. But first let's talk about sponsorship. This video is sponsored by International Beauty Expert IBE. If you are looking for career in beauty and wellness industry, then International Beauty Expert will help to build you one. Benefits that IBE will provide are: first, if you run an academy, then you can get accreditation from IBE so that you will be able to give international certification to your students. Second, if you run a salon, makeup studio, nail studio, lash studio or spa center, then you can give IBE certification to your staff. Your staff will be internationally certified and your business will grow a lot. Third, if you have done a course in beauty, makeup, hair, nail, nutrition and dietitian etc. from any Indian academy, then you can take IBE certification. This will make your profile strong. This certificate will help you a lot to grow your career. Fourth, if you want to do job in beauty, makeup, hair, nail, nutrition and dietitian in foreign country, then you can do an international course from IBE. This course will help you a lot in getting a placement in foreign country. Now back to the topic we were discussing earlier. In this video, we will explore the reasons why Cyruss Mathew Makeup Academy might not perfectly suit those who are taking their first step into the sparkly universe of makeup. While the academy undoubtedly stands tall as a renowned academy with merits, certain aspects might pose challenges for beginners seeking a more beginner-friendly experience. So first, let's examine the Cyruss Mathew Makeup Academy. Cyruss Mathew and their team run Cyruss Mathew Makeup Academy in Rajouri Garden. This academy is well known for making the best makeup artists in India. Cyruss Makeup Institute has been working since 2013 and today they have an outstanding reputation in India. When we list out the best makeup institute, Cyruss Mathew Makeup Academy holds rank among them. The trainers from here are well trained and they explain the courses in great detail. This academy is one of the best makeup academies in Delhi. Now that you've got the gist about Cyruss Mathew Makeup Academy, let's take a look at the courses that they offer. Since 2013, they are offering the following makeup courses at their Makeup Academy in Rajouri Garden. We have listed them as follows. First, self-makeup course. Second, basic professional makeup course. Third, advanced short-term course. Fourth, professional basic to advanced makeup course. Fifth, hairstyling course. Sixth, hairdressing course for beginners. Seventh, hairstyling basic to advanced course. That was the overview on the courses that Cyruss Mathew Makeup Academy offers. Now let's talk about the most important thing, and the reason why you are watching this video is to tell you why Cyruss Mathew Makeup Academy is not beneficial for beginners in the makeup industry. So the first reason we have, Cyruss Mathew Makeup Academy teaches 30 to 40 students in a batch, which is an inconvenience for students as they cannot focus in the class and neither the trainers give full attention to every student. Second, the duration of the courses are short. If we compare it to the fee structure, students cannot grasp the course fully. Third, if we compare the duration of the courses to the fee of the courses, they do not match and they do not satisfy the people who want to take admission in the academy. The duration is short but the fee is very high. Fourth, this academy only has one branch, that is in Rajouri Garden. People have to travel to the location to take classes, which is not very convenient to the people who live far away. Fifth, they do not provide internships to the students whatsoever. Sixth, and the job opportunity is also zero. They just give students training and leave them empty-handed. Students have to find jobs on their own and the students find it difficult to find jobs on their own. Seventh, as we know that Cyruss Mathew is a big name in the beauty industry and Cyruss Mathew Makeup Academy is a reputed academy, but this academy is not recognized by the Indian government. They provide a self-certificate which has no value in the market. If you did any course from this academy and want to open a salon, then no bank will give you a loan. So far, I've told you almost everything about Cyruss Mathew Makeup Academy. So now it's time to tell you about few other top Delhi NCR academies from where you may choose a highly professional makeup training. So first we have Meri Bindia International Academy. Meri Bindia International Academy is one of the best beauty academies in India. Meri Bindia International Academy was started by engineer Mahi ma'am after leaving a job worth lakhs of rupees. Their aim is to provide high quality beauty training to the youth. Therefore, there is no compromise with the training quality at Mary Bindia International Academy. This academy is the best beauty academy in India to make a career in the beauty and makeup industry. This academy has been awarded the Best Beauty School Award in India by many national and international organizations. Also, Mary Bindia International Academy has been awarded the Best Beauty School Award from IBE, that is International Beauty Expert. This academy has two branches, one located near Noida Sector 18 Metro Station and the other in Rajouri Garden Metro Station in Delhi. Artists from big salons from all over India also come to Mary Bindia International Academy for training in advanced beauty, makeup, hair and nail courses. In this academy, only 12 to 15 students are trained in a batch. Hence, students book their seats here 3 to 4 months in advance. The Masters in Cosmetology course and Postgraduate Diploma in Cosmetology course at Mary Bindia International Academy are recognized as the best cosmetology course in India. Mary Bindia International Academy provides world-class education to the students. This academy provides internships/jobs to all the graduates. Big beauty brands of the country give a lot of preference in jobs to the certified students of Mary Bindia International Academy. Second, we have Pearl Academy. This academy comes at the top second position in Delhi NCR for makeup courses. You can do a makeup course from here. If you do a makeup course from here, it will take you 3 to 4 months, which will cost you rupees 3 to 8 lakh. This academy teaches 30 to 45 students in a batch. This academy does not provide any kind of placement/internship. After doing the course from here, you will have to search for a job or internship on your own. Third, we have Sanan Chfa Makeup Academy. Sanan Chfa Makeup Academy comes at the top third position. Apart from makeup, you can do many other courses from here. If you do a makeup course from here, its fee is around rupees 60,000 and the duration of this course is 2 months. This academy teaches 30 to 45 students in a batch. This academy does not provide any kind of placement/internship. After doing the course from here, you will have to search for a job or internship on your own. And on the fourth number, we have the Red Fox Makeup Academy. The Red Fox Academy comes at the number 4th position. From here, you can do many courses related to makeup. If you do a makeup course from here, then its fee is around rupees 86,000 and the duration of this course is 2 months. This academy does not provide any kind of placement/internship. This academy teaches 30 to 45 students in a batch. After doing the course from here, you will have to search for a job or internship on your own. If you know about any course of any academy, then please review us in the comment section. We will show your review in the next video, which will help other students to navigate their path into the beauty industry. So friends, if you want to do a professional makeup and beauty course, then visit your preferred academy today and get your course registered. For more information, visit our website or call the number given on the screen. Also, if you want information about any beauty academy or beauty course, then comment, and if you like our video, then like, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel today. Thank you.